Today we're going to see how to create flows in our system. Flows also known as chatbots, also known as bots, and also known as automation. I hope you are logged in on your business and you can see the dashboard like this, what you are seeing right now in front of you. On the left hand side there are multiple options. One of the option is flows. Let's click on flows. When we go to flows, we can see that we have some options over here, and we are going to see how to create a new flow. Some of the options are coming soon, so very soon you will see new features. Right now I am going to click on create from scratch. So let's click on select button. Okay, right now you are on this canvas. You need to give some name. Let's say we are giving the name training video, description testing training. Click on save. The flow automation is saved, but obviously there is nothing on the screen. So first of all, you need to decide on which message you want to start your automation. So that is we call triggers. So let's click on message. When you click on message, it will create a pop-up on which you can write a message or any keyword that will you receive from user. So if I write demo and create, so whenever we receive a message which says a demo, it will start this flow. Okay, so let's keep it like this way. Then on the next we will say send message. On send message we have an option to attach an image, video, document or an audio. So let's say we need to attach an image. To attach an image, first you need to choose file, upload, and then the image will be uploaded. So I will use an existing image to move. This image has been added, and when you add an image and then you send a new message. So on this message, hi, welcome to Wetarseel automation. How may I help you? On this I can create multiple options. Help me with information or price. Tell me your price. So what we are going to do is that first you see the small blue dot, we will select the blue dot and we will draw a line. So we are now connecting the dots which is making this system to know that from which messages you want to go from, like this. So now when you send a demo message, it will create an image. After creating an image, it will go to this welcome message. Now when this message is sent, we are adding two options, and we can add more actions on these options. Let's send message. I have created a send message. Now one more dialog box is open. I will say okay, I will redirect you to an agent. Okay, now on this option it will redirect to your new agent, or you can also attach the second option to the same send message box, and then I will assign an agent. So click on the assign agent. You see now we have this new dialog box. Move it over here, select to which agent you want to assign. Let's say Mrs. Hanif, and connect the dots. That's it. You have just created your first workflow. The automation has been saved, the training video. Let's go back to automation. Scroll down and you will see that this is our flow over here. Let's activate this. Okay, now this is inactive. You can see the green dot. Let's try by sending a message to this number. So this is, I think that I believe this is the number 1555 131 4313. Created our flow. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to test how it works. So I will send a message says demo, because that is my message that contains trigger point. So that's when I type a demo. Let's see what happens. Okay, so system have sent me a message, and then it has asked me what I want to do. So there were two options: need information, tell me price. So let's click need information. Okay, so you see that the system has responded to me automatically, and if I go back to my Wetarseel, and I can see that message has been sent, and it is being sent first. It was sent by user at 9:31, and then system responded automatically, and you can see its system. You can jump in anytime, and you can respond to the client. Hi, how I can help you? And now this message is assigned to you, and definitely customer will be receiving the response. So this is how a simple flow works. I hope it will be helpful for you. Let us know for any query, and drop us message. Thank you.